I have a bad news and good news for Bitcoin. And let us go here in our Telegram channel, which, by the way, for free. I wrote you that we have 3 points which are not nice. We have first the MT GOX distro tomorrow, which is obviously not so bullish. We have Shanghai distro in 4 days. In 4 days, we have sell the news usually. Let's see. And we have Silvergate collapse. So these 3 news are very, very bearish and not nice. However, bratans, I have another bearish sign for you, but I have also a good sign. So let's go first. The not so nice things go through. We broke through our 200 moving average, our purple line here down. However, we not closed the daily yet, right? So, I mean, this is not nice what we see here right now. And obviously, what are our bearish scenario and what are the bearish signs if we are going through the bad news? Obviously, it's the double top, which we are also spoke about, because we have 2 options. Either we see this double top working out or we see this double bottom working out. And this is the question. Obviously, right now, as we are breaking below the daily, it seems that this double top workout, which would be very bearish, and which are the price targets? The price targets, obviously, if we are breaking here our last support, our weekly support at 21,200 approximately, then our double top working out and the technical price target you measure from the top to the downside, the technical price target would be around 18,200, which perfectly matches here with 18,400, because at 18,400 we have here some support coming in. You see here, if we are watching here back in the past, you see here support, and here you see some resistance, right? So yes, we could see here a dump in case we are breaking here this weekly resistance, weekly support with a clear daily candle or 4-hourly candle. We could see drop of 13%. Yes, so these are the bearish news. Right now, let's go to the bullish, to the good news. And if we are watching right now on the daily, we see we are already heavily oversold, right? We see we are heavily oversold. Also, we see on the 4-hourly, I mean, this is massively oversold, right? This speaks for a big bounce to the upside, right? Also, if we are watching right now the total crypto market cap, it looks healthy. It looks very healthy, because we have 1 touch point, our support line, and 2nd touch point. This is not a sign right now that we are breaking it down. This is a very, very strong support line. However, it's not a guarantee. It's all about probabilities. So here, the double bottom is still in play on the total crypto market cap. Also, if we are watching the S&P 500, or if we are watching the futures right now, let us watch the S&P 500 from yesterday. We see here we are still bouncing. We bounced on this wide support line. This 1 year was a resist line which turned into a support line. We see here we bouncing here to the upside, and it still looks very, very healthy. We still see here the RSI is oversold on the 4-hourly. Let me quickly show you on the daily. On the daily we are neutral right now, and as long as we're not breaking, as long as S&P 500 not breaking here this white line to the downside, it looks still very, very bullish. For me, the sign that we see big drop in Bitcoin is in case we see here this white line of the S&P 500 breaking to the downside, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. But right now, it's still very, very bullish, right? Also, we see the DXY, the dollar, is getting here rejected as we are expecting here, right? Getting rejected on our red resistance area and forming here a double top. It's not right now confirmed. However, it looks like we're forming here a double top, which is very bearish for the dollar, and which is bullish for crypto, for Bitcoin, for the whole industry, right? Let's see how this works out. So this on the good news, and I have another good news also, bratans. Because look at the RSI. We see right now we formed already a big bullish divergence. You see RSI is going down while the price still going up, right? However, even even if this double top working out and we see Bitcoin dropping down to 19,000 or 18,400, like I told you, right? I mean, if we see here a drop in the price to this level of, wait a minute, to this level of, let's say here, 18,400, right? What we would see then, we would see here the RSI would go completely to the toilet, and what we would form even a bigger bullish divergence. You see, RSI would go even more down and the price would go even higher. So this would mean we would see even a bigger bounce to the upside, right? So this looks still even in case we are going down to the level of 18,400, right? It's still very bullish. Even I have to tell you, I'm a technical guy. Even if we are going to the monthly support at 17,300, we would still create a new higher high, right? So therefore, higher low and higher high, but this would be concrete a higher low. So this would be still very, 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 very bullish. And we would see here on the RSI, the RSI would go down and the price would go up. So this would be still very, very bullish in my opinion, right? So this on BTC, and let us quickly go. So in my opinion, it's still in play. I'm still in my long position, and in my opinion, this is very, very risky and only for professional traders. But in my opinion, the risk reward is here. I'm risking this right now because the risk reward is amazing, because we see here the price target is around 27k, and if we are going for a stop loss below 20k, we have a risk reward 2.8. If we want to be more safe, we set our stop loss very tight below the weekly, so we can jump into a short if we're breaking the weekly. So if we set our stop loss below 21k, let's say 20,900, we have a risk reward at 8.0. This is crazy. In my opinion, not a financial advice, bratans. I show you, by the way, here my trade, my long position here. I opened another long position, $51,000 in contract size, minus 10% at the moment, minus $100 in a loss right now, bratans. And what I want to say, Ethereum. Let us quickly go through Ethereum. We see here Ethereum breaking down the daily support. Wait a minute. I have to check. Yes, we are breaking down the daily support. You see this 200 moving average we're breaking down. And obviously, let me zoom out. In case Bitcoin breaking down to our level of 18,400, we could see here Ethereum easily go down to our support here at around 1,283. Why 1,283? Because if I draw here this line, you see here, we see here a lot of, wait a minute, I have to a little bit. Yes, we see here a lot of support and resistance coming in. You see here a lot of support and resistance. Here is a big resistance. Here is a big support zone, and here we have again big resistance zone. Yes, we could see in Ethereum after the Shanghai update in 4 days, we could see here a massive dump of over 15%. However, in my opinion, even if we see this dump, this is in my opinion I'm very bullish still, because then we can buy very cheap Ethereum back, we can buy very cheap Bitcoin back, we can buy very cheap FXS back, and we can buy cheap back AGX. In my opinion, not a financial advice, but that's if you want to know which coins I'm buying or what I'm doing with this long position, you can join my Telegram group absolutely for free. How to join it, bratans? It's very easy. Here you get all the signals, what I'm doing with my trades. Make a registration on Bybit. It's 10 seconds, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, another 10 seconds, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channels. Basically 20 or 40 seconds, and you get the most valuable information what you can get in a free Telegram channel, and you have access to a Discord channel where you have a trading crypto course where you can teach yourself, also absolutely for free. This is the really most valuable information which you can get in a free Telegram channel, and even in some paid groups you didn't get this information, in my opinion. So bratans, very important, do your own research. It's not a financial advice. I show what I'm doing. I'm watching the long term. I'm buying FXS, I still buying AGX on my spot portfolio, because I expecting these coins to go even in this relief rally to $14 FXS or $17 and AGX to 16 cent or even to $1. So therefore I'm buying it, I'm holding it. Do your own research. It's not financial advice. If you have any questions, I see you in the Telegram group. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.